Hi guys, this is Forex Order. Um, I'm gonna be taking you through Metadata 4 on the mobile phone or smartphone or tablet. So yeah, this video is basically for beginners. Yep. So the apps that you need when you're wanting or thinking of Forex is investing.com, Metatrader 5, TradingView, and Metatrader 4. So what will be happening is that we will be looking into Metatrader 4 for today. Yeah, Metatrader 4. So let's wait for network. My network is very bad. Yep, there it is. So in Metatrader 4, it looks like this on the mobile phone. So this is your quotes. Your quotes simply like meaning this is where you're gonna see your currency pairs and indexes. So we all know that in Forex there are currency pairs and there are indexes. So let me show you. This is Veracity. Yeah, I opened the demo account so that I can demonstrate everything for you. So what happens is that you see there's only one thing, which is AUD USD. As if you're a beginner, most definitely you don't know what AUD USD means, but you get it when it comes to the USD part. So AUD simply stands for Australian dollar. USD simply stands for United States dollar. So your currencies are paired in two. So they are called currency pairs. They're called currency pairs because they're paired in two. And they have shortened the words or like the abbreviations. It's in three letters. AUD, NZD, ZAR, ZAR, just like that. So let's add more of the AUDs and USDs. So you click the plus, the cross right there on your top right near the pencil. You click it. When you click it, you'll see where you can add your symbols to your codes, to your code. So you have Forex majors. Oh, we're not supposed to look into this one. Yeah, we'll look into Forex STD if you are using a Veracity account or demo account or real account. It's on you. So what happens is that when you click Forex STD, this is the Forex STD right there. When you click it, you'll see there's AUD CAD, AUD CHF, and their names right there. You see their names right there. There are many of them. Let's just select a few. AUD CHF. Let's select a CAD CHF, Euro, and just a couple net for this lesson here. Yeah, I think that would do. You click them, then they'll go to your quotes. You see the currency pairs that we have been clicking, they went to the quotes. Okay, then after that there's crypto. You can use the Bitcoin. You can click it, you will go that side. I basically like the Bitcoin. Then in crypto I like Bitcoin only. The rest I don't know. So then you have US shares, Apple, and stuff like that. See, let's just include a couple of those so that you can see them. Then after that we have indices, micro. These are for people who have less money in their accounts and they want to grow their accounts safely and nicely. So what will happen, they'll click one of these, like choose Nasdaq, and let's go with SPX, yeah, and US. Yep. Then we have index is 0. The index is 0. Basically what's special about them is that when you open a trade, they do not start at a negative. When you open a position or a trade, they do not start at a negative, but they just start in a blue position on a 0-0 scale. Like it goes 0-0. Then if they go below, they'll be negative. If they go above, they'll be positive. And yeah, it's something nice actually. So okay, let's get over index 0. Then we have our energies, our net gas, natural gas, our oil, USD, okay, oil versus United States dollar, and crude oil, Brent, you know. Then we have our actual indices, the CFDs. So yeah, these ones, they're just like nearly like the index is 0, but these ones, they start at a negative. When you open a position, they'll start at a negative. So that's how you set up your currency pairs. That's how you set them up. So with the pencil, you can edit, you can delete whichever currency pairs you want and click the bin and stuff, you know. But we're not gonna do that now. So okay, you've seen where your codes are. Let's select one currency pair. You can click and hold or press and hold. You will see where it says new order, open chart, symbol properties, simple view mode. What you're gonna be doing most, you're gonna be placing new orders and opening the charts. Symbol properties, it's not really that important. Yeah, but you can just take a look for educational purposes. So you will click what? Open chart. We have opened a chart on USD or an AUD USD, which is very nice. Let me clear everything up. So this is like your chart. Your chart will be like this. You'll be surprised what's happening there, you know. So this is your chart on AUD USD 15 minutes time frame. So let me explain the features there. There's a crosshair. For annotating purposes and, like, you know, to see the time here below and to see the point here on your left. Yeah. Then to turn on the crosshair, you click it and you just have to click where you clicked so that you remove it. Then there's a what? There's indicators. The F stands for indicators. You know, you click it, then there are indicators here that will help you trade if you are using indicators. I am not using indicators. There are trend based indicators, oscillators, volumes, Bill Williams. There are many. These will actually help you trade, you know, but we'll get onto that another time. So okay, you've seen that. Then here is the dollar sign with some arrows called symbols. You click it, you see your quotes. What you have on your quotes will appear here. Your AUD, your USD, your CAD, and everything. Okay, you just have to click it so that it disappears. Then you have your time periodicity, which is usually time frames, so we call them. You have to click them. When you click them, you see your time frames that you will be using: your 1 minute, your 5 minutes, your 15 minutes, your 30 minutes, your 1 hour, your 4 hours. Then let's just mess with them so that you see what's happening. Your 1 minute, here's your 1 minute. Every candlestick, like every 1 minute will come and will pop another candlestick. Oh yes, will pop another candlestick every 1 minute. Then we have a 5 minute. 5 minutes is still on the same chart, but on a different time frame. So your 5 minute will be looking like this, meaning 5 1 minute candlesticks will create one 5 minute candlestick. You know what I mean, Miss? Then we have our 15 minutes. Our 15 minutes was still on the same chart. Our 15 minutes means we need 5 minute candlesticks. Not 5, man. I mean 3 5-minute candlesticks to create one candlestick in 15 minutes on the 15 minutes time frame. Then we have our 30 minutes. Then our 30 minutes takes two 15 minutes candlesticks to make one, as you can see there. Then we have our hourly. Our hourly takes two 30 minutes candlesticks to make one, which is 60 seconds. So which is 60 seconds, not 6 seconds, 6 minutes. And we have our new order. Our new order is where you when you feel like you want to place a trade, you click there. Then you can see the name of the currency on top, Australian dollar versus United States dollar. Then you keep it on the market execution, but you can actually do other things like buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So, and this is your lot size 0.0. If your account is small, you'll be using 0.01 to 0.02, 0.03. As you grow it, you'll increase your lot size, but let's stick to 0.01. Then these are your differences on the market. There's 0.725 to, and then squared 7 or 6, and your 0.7254 to the 2. That's your difference on the market. The red line and the blue line makes the difference, and they are the one that are gonna be calculating your money in other ways, like as they move away from your position, you will be gaining money or losing, because it's not always about gaining. You'll also lose. So here, that's where you put your stop loss. I'll show that later on. And here, that's where you put your take profit. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Let's say maybe our 15 minutes. So in Forex, all you do is stare at candlesticks and magic will happen. Automatically money will come into your bank account. I'm just kidding. Doesn't happen like that. So in the Forex industry, there are candlesticks. Candlesticks represent what's happening between Australian dollar and US dollar. I'll just give information which is basic and simple. I don't want to explain the rates there. The rates are doing, don't do it. No. They're not doing, don't do. But so what you have to know as a beginner, okay, is that you're gonna buy and sell. And how and why? Okay, the how. Let's start with the why. The why is that you wanna make money. Easy. So here in Forex, you're given a chance to make money as the candlesticks are moving up or down, which is buying or selling. So we know that, okay, where buying is associated with going up and selling is associated with going down. So in the Forex industry, if you want to know how to make money, you gotta know or find a way of seeing price move, just like it is now. You see the market is right there. So where can it go next? It can just choose to go up, and it can just choose to go down. Why? Because of the institutions of the Australian dollar and the US dollars. They're getting central banks, the central banks are the ones that are influencing the market to go in their directions and stuff. So no one actually knows where the market will go, but people have derived their own ways and strategies, which is very nice. They're helping other traders, and they're helping other traders actually, yes, and it's very beautiful. So people will be trading and making some cash using information and stuff like that. Because I know that we cannot have 5 Einsteins. There was only one. but now we're using his concepts in most of the studies in physics. He's there in whatever books, science books, is there and stuff. Okay, so what happens is that let's say the market was here, nah. What you are supposed to know is that, okay, sharp, you have to know where price will go next. So there's a thing called analyzing. You analyze, you look at the previous information on the chart so that you can predict the future information. Okay, sharp. Then, like when it's like that, let's say the market is here. Yeah. What's supposed to happen is that you gotta know the direction. Let's say it was gonna sell. Then let's say you think it's gonna sell, right? You're gonna just click it like that, and do what? Leave it on market execution. Increase your lot size or decrease it, choosing whichever lot size. Let's go with 0.10. Say it's gonna sell. You're gonna press the sell by market. Then you wait. My network is bad. See, no connection. Let's go. Sell by market. Yep. The order is open. Then that's how it is. You see? So when you swipe to the left, something will pop up. There's a tick, there's a pencil, and there's a graph there. When you want to go to the graph to see what's happening on this AUD USD, you click that. You see, okay, there's a dotted line across your screen, and on your left it says sell 0.10. Your lot size is 0.10. So the market, when you sold, the market has to go down, directly down, far away from where your position is opened at, so that you can start gaining profits. As you see, as it moves down, the money, it moves from the negative side. It's trying to cross the border to the positive side. Yeah. So if it moves up, you will be in a big loss. You will be losing some money. If it moves up, you will lose money. If it moves up, you will lose money. And if it moves down, you'll be gaining money. But let's say you have bought. So if you have bought, if it moves up, you'll be gaining money. And if you have bought and it moves down, you'll be losing some money. That's how it is. So yeah, I was familiarizing you with the MetaTrader 4. So what's happening is that you have seen. Let's just do a quick revision. These are your quotes. Okay, what's happening in your quotes? Wait, see, now it's moving below my position, which means I'll be in profits as long as it keeps moving away from where I open my position, so yes. So let's do a quick revision. This is MetaTrader 4. You have your quotes where you see your currency pairs and indexes, yeah, and you have a add symbol. You choose whatever symbol you want to add, and you have a pencil. If you want to delete one, you can just click that, choose it, and hit the pin. Let's delete one, for instance, the AUD card. It's gone. It's gone. You'll find it where? Here. There it is. You know what I mean? So yes. Then after that, you have your chart. You can click it here on the bottom. Look at this. This means your quote. This means your quote. And then this here means you are going to the chart. The last chart, usually it will go to the last chart you opened. So then here it's your trades. Look at the bottom screen. That's where I'm clicking. Your quotes here, your chart here, and your trades here. This will be your history. The money you deposited, the profits or the losses, it will show you there. And after that, yeah, that is MetaTrader 4. and I showed you how to open a buy and a sell. So for instance, if you have opened a sell like this and you want to put a stop loss, this is how I do it. I just tap the screen. A circular will appear as a circle. Is it a circle? Yes. Circle will appear there. Then after that, you see there are time frames there, and the indexes. There's your crosshair. There's your crosshair. There's your objects. I didn't show you the objects, so the objects are there. Where trend, there's a line, or the lines that you are gonna use to try and outline the next move of the market, or predict, should I say. There are channels, there are Gann, Fibonacci, Elliott, and shapes. Mostly, if my mentorship goes well, people will be doing what? I'll be using shapes and horizontal line, vertical lines, and trend lines. And also one more thing, the Fibonacci retracement only. So yeah, I'm still trying to get myself things running. People don't trust my setups yet and stuff like that. But yeah, we're not 1%. So someone's got to come up with something, and someone came up with something, which is me. I'm the next Einstein in the forex industry. I'm not like challenging any other forex trader. No, it's not like that. I know there are people who are cruel and have evil spirits, so should I say. So they will say, we're now a claim, are you claiming, and stuff like that. No, not claiming. We're all trying to hustle, we're all trying to make a living. We're all trying to hustle, we're all trying to make a living. So I'm a forex trader, and I've been practicing a lot since I was in school. The year before last, I was in school during 2020, but I started viewing the charts in my grade 11 mid-year. Then after that, I went to grade 12, and I had to focus. But I was, I cannot teach forex. I was focused. I was looking at the charts in class, and yeah, I finished school. Had troubles finding a job. Yeah, then I applied for school. So because there are some fundings that are taking place in South Africa, they fund you. There's an NSFAS and stuff. You know what I mean? There's NSFAS. So yeah, hopefully, if I get the money for laptops and what, I'll deposit at least half of it so that I can make something happen out of the chat. But so far, I have managed to derive my own strategy, which I personally use, and it is profitable when it comes to making money. Yes, I created this video so that I can. It's just a startup video, and you'll have to leave reviews on how you want me to run things and stuff like that. Yeah, because I'm not gonna stop no matter what people say. I'm not going to stop. I will continue with the teachings, my own teachings. Yeah, I've learned most of the concepts from ICT. He's the master, he's the boss. Yes, from ICT. And what else? Yeah. Then over time, I derived my own thing. And now I'm gonna be using my own thing, keeping ICT as a backup, because his information is solid. Mine is also solid too. Yeah, okay, people. I'll see you next time. Good day or good night, because it's people around the world. I am Forex Aura, and see you.